What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be making the ever famous French toast. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm so excited. This French toast is everything you need right now. So if you are interested in knowing how I did this, let's get started. So in a bowl, we'll be using 2 large eggs. I cracked it in separate bowl just in case I get a bad egg. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. And next to that, we'll be adding some milk. And next to that, we'll be adding in some honey. You can substitute that with sugar if that's what you have available. To that, we'll be adding in some cinnamon, and then also a pinch of salt goes in just to your taste, okay? And next, a splash of vanilla, just a little bit. So we are going to whisk this to combine beautifully. And guys, there will be a secret ingredient, so you want to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything, okay? Okay, so next we'll be needing some bread slices for this recipe. Usually thick bread is preferred in making French toast, just like you see in the video. So next, you want to put some pan on your fire, add some oil and butter to that, and then just stir everything. I like to help it to melt because Charlie, I need this to melt real quick so I can enjoy my French toast. So to that, now you just pick your bread and then soak it into your milk, and then that mixture, liquid mixture right there, and you transfer it beautifully into your pan just as I'm doing, okay? So yeah, and then you want to allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then you flip it over to the so that the other side can also cook. Please just lower the heat so that you just give it some time, just 3 to 4 minutes. Don't give it any pressure at all. And while this is French toasting, you guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my videos, okay? I promise you guys nothing but the best. So this is ready now, and we transfer it into a plate and set aside. So in between the toast, you just want to continue adding a little bit of butter and then some oil. You can use only oil if that's what you have available, but I just like to combine these two. So we did just that, and we repeat the same process. Soak your bread into that milk egg mixture, and transfer that into your pan and allow this to toast for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's well cooked. And yeah, you should be enjoying some French toast very soon. So you guys, I know the love has been so great, and I'm so grateful for that. You guys should kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe, share if you like my videos. It makes so much difference. Thank you. So we just flip this over, and then yeah, it should be ready very soon. So just allow this to cook until it's ready. Subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you. So yeah, so guys, this has been cooking for about 3 minutes now, and it's ready. So I'll just transfer it into a plate, and look at that. You should be enjoying some French toast real quick. It's ready now. So yeah, just set it aside, and voila, our French toast is ready. I decided to add some maple syrup to this, the surprise ingredient I promise. So I enjoyed this with some maple syrup. Let me know if you want to know how I did this, and I'm going to drop that video. Yeah, and it is super delicious. You can also choose to add in some berries like blackberries or strawberries, or just enjoy this with a cup of milk. oh, a cup of coffee filled with so much. And that's your girl, the tasting time. Oh my god, this tasted so good. I forgot I was on live camera. Thank you guys so much, and see